I found that reading emails from members and looking at the members forum, that one of the most popular projects from last year was the one of a wet street in Berlin, sent in by Royston, one of our members in Norway. Very popular to do, quite a fairly quick one to do, but all about atmosphere and reflection. So ever since then, I've been looking for another suitable project, another wet street project, and I've got this one of the Southbank in London on a wet, quite dull, drizzly day. And I think it's perfect for the same sort of project as we did before with the wet street in Berlin. It's about the reflections, it's about the atmosphere, it's not so much about detail. And it's great fun to do. I really enjoyed this one.